Hello friends, how are you? My name is Anil Singhania and you are watching my YouTube channel Easy Software. Friends, in this video I am going to teach you how you can create an audiobook using just 6 lines of codes. And believe me, there is no need of any pre-knowledge of coding to create this project. I am repeating this once again. There is no need of pre-knowledge of coding of any programming language to create this project. Just follow this video from start to end and we will get a complete idea about this project. So let's start. To create this project we have to first install two software into our system. So open any browser and type download Python and press enter and visit the first link, and this is the official website for downloading Python. You have to click this button to download the latest version of Python. After downloading this software we have to install it into your system, and the next step is to install another software for coding of Python. So type here PyCharm download, okay, and press enter. Now visit first link and you will get official website of PyCharm software, and here you have to click just this black download button, and after clicking on this button you will get an exe of software PyCharm, and after this exe of PyCharm you have to install it into your system. Now I am going to explain further step. After installation of Python and PyCharm, just open PyCharm and now it's time to create a project. So first click on file, select new project and click on it. After that we will get a screen like this, and after clicking on this icon we can select a drive in which we want to create our project. In my case it is F drive, so I will click on F and press OK. After the directory name we have to put a project name. In my case it is my audio project. It's not compulsory for you, you can type any name for your project, and after typing project name we have to click on create, and here we have to click this window. It will take some time to create this project, so just wait for some time. Here now we can see that our project is ready with name my audio project and it is in drive F. Okay, now it's time to create a Python file in this project to write our Python code. So right click on project name, select new and click Python file. Here we have to put a name for our Python file. In my case I am just typing program and it is the name of Python file, so type program and press enter. Here we can see that a Python file with name program is created, and now it's time to code. So I am just going to type code line by line. The first step is to import library Google Text to Speech. So just I am going to write from Google Text to Speech import Google Text to Speech, but here this is showing error because this library is not installed in our system. So I am just going to first install this library. So click on terminal and here press enter and type pip install Google Text to Speech and press enter, and wait for some time because it will take some seconds to install this library, and actually it depends upon the net speed. So it's done, and here we will get a message successfully installed. Now it's time to open a file that we want to convert in an audiobook. So I will write a variable name file and will use a open function, and inside this double quotes we have to pass the name of our file that we want to convert in an audiobook. So the first step is to create a file. So open the project folder, and our project folder is my audio project and it is stored in F drive. So first I will open the drive and here I will go inside F drive and click on my audio project. Okay, Here I have already stored a notepad file and the file name is myfile.txt. Now I am going to show you the content of this file, and you can see it is the content of this file. Now it's time to convert this text file into an audiobook. So I will just write the file name is myfile. So here I will type myfile.txt. Now it's done. After this I will text a variable txt and file.read. Okay, now I will set a language for our audio file. So I will take a variable language, and I want to create this audio file in English, so I will use en here. And now I will take a variable audio, and I will use Google text to speech function, and I will pass 3 parameters. The first parameter is text. Okay, and we have stored text in txt variable, and the second parameter is language, and I have stored language in language variable, and the third parameter is speed of audio. Here I will select false. Now it's time to code the last line of this project. So just write variable name audio and save and double quotes, and inside this double quote we have to put a name for our audio file. So I will use my audio.mp3. it is the extension of audio file, or we can also use web. It is also the extension of audio file. Okay, so I am suggesting use mp3 always. Okay, now it's done. Now it's time to execute this file. So to execute this file, just right click on this file and click on run program. It will take some time to convert that text file into audio file. Now it's done. So we can see here a file with name my audio with extension mp3 is created successfully. .mp3 is the extension of mp3 file like audio. So now it's time to go. Now it's time to go to the project folder, and here we can see that audio file with name my audio, and now I am going to show the first file content, and now I will open audio file so that you can match the audio file. Okay,
hello friends, how are you today? I am very excited because
just
in this
enjoy.
post I am going to teach, which is very interesting, project in Python that can be made only using 10 line of codes. To create this project you don't need of any pre-knowledge of Python, because this project is very simple of code, and I will explain each line of code to you in a very simple way.
Now it's done. Here I am going to explain something more in this video. Suppose you want to create audio file in Hindi, then you just need to have just put hi here and wait, go to folder, and here the file content is, I am just typing some Hindi words like क्या हो रहा है. Friends, this is Hindi, so if you are unable to understand this, just forget this. Okay, I am going to save this, and now I will run this code again. Okay, now it's done. Again I am going inside the folder, and now it's time I will open this.
क्या हो रहा है?
It's done. Okay, now if you have any doubt regarding this project, then let me know by comment. I will definitely fix it. Guys, I have created a website for you where you can get a lot of project with source code. So visit my website. My website link is given in description area. And if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video. please subscribe my channel and don't forget to visit my website, and my website name is www.crazyprogrammer.com, and there you can get a lot of projects on many languages like C, C++, Java, Python, Flask, Django, .NET, Android and everything.